Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying core prerequisites: networking, Linux, and a scripting language. Next, create an AWS free tier account, enable MFA, and create an IAM user for study experiments. This prevents using root. Install and configure the AWS CLI so you can practice commands quickly. Once done, pick a clear pathway, Solutions Architect Associate, as the first milestone. Make sure to allocate scheduled study blocks and set measurable goals. This starts momentum and avoids wasted setup time. Now you move into intensive execution. Focus on hands-on labs that force you to build and break architectures. Practice building VPCs, subnets, security groups, and multi-AZ RDS. Then automate with CloudFormation and Terraform. Once done with a lab, whiteboard the architecture and explain trade-offs, security, cost, performance, out loud. Make timed practice exams part of your routine 2 to 3 times per week to simulate pressure. Keep a running list of weak areas and iterate until you can design confidently. In the final phase, you consolidate knowledge with full-length mocks and focused reviews of incorrect answers. You should memorize service limits, common design patterns, and SLAs, then simulate exam day conditions to manage time. Once done, use a day-before checklist: ID, testing rules, sleep, and one-page cheat sheet of core designs. If things go wrong during practice or the real exam, isolate the exact concept, rebuild a minimal lab to reproduce the issue, and ask a mentor or community for targeted help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.